pudding. Take China grass. This is 10 gram. Make it 5 gram each. Soak in water. Soak in water for 10 minutes. Take 1 cup milk, half cup tender coconut. Grind it well. Take a pot. Add milk and tender coconut mixture. Add sugar, half cup. Add condensed milk, half cup. Mix it well. Boil this mixture. In the meantime, discard this water and put fresh water. Our mixture is boiling. Now we have to melt China grass. China grass fully melted. We have to add China grass to our milk mixture. Our first layer of pudding is ready. I kept first layer in freezer for half an hour. Now let's make second layer. Take a pot. Add 1.5 cup tender coconut water. Half cup sugar. Mix it. Tender coconut water is boiled. At the same time, melt China grass. China grass fully melted. Now add it. Second layer is ready. Off the gas. Our second layer is finished. Now let's add strawberry crush. Our layered pudding is ready.
Subscribe!